how I made a plus-size jirai blouse. This is based off the Dear My Love Whip blouse, which translates to Your Croffle Lace Usami blouse. I used my own self-drafted pattern box to create the basic bodice for the blouse. And yes, I used a sanding circle to trace the circle out for my bib pattern. The fabrics I chose to use are a light pink chiffon with a layer of poplin underneath for coverage and interfacing for the collar. I like to overlock my pieces before sewing them together as a way to finish the garment on the inside. And here I am sewing the bodice together with the sewing machine. I sewed long stitches into the sleeves in the top and the bottom of the sleeve to make puff sleeves, and trimmed the black lace and fin elastic. Now it's time to gather the sleeve. I inserted the thin elastic into the channel I sewn at the bottom of the sleeve, and after a quick try on, time to connect the puff sleeves together. Now it's time to attach the puff sleeves to the bodice. First try on, and it's looking good so far. Let's move on to the bib. At first I messed up the bib shape and added the cat ears of fabric afterwards. And here's the bib so far. It's time to hand sew the heart buttons onto the bib. And now to sew the bib onto the front of the bodice. Let's move on to the hell of this collar. Watch me iron the interfacing onto the cotton fabric. Here I am gathering lace for the collar for the frilly vibe. I made a big mistake with this collar where I drafted it from an old pattern and not modify it for the circumference of the blouse opening, and it meant I had to pleat 2 sections of the collar around the back for it to fit onto the shirt. The horrors of sewing this collar without an interlining is silly on my behalf. I wish I took the time to make an interlining beforehand, like I did with my Miwako uniform. Let's move on to the bows. I made 4 small bows and 1 large bow. 5 bows in total. The horrors of this blouse consist by burning the edges of the ribbon. Now you've learned the lore and the craftsmanship behind my HeartBeatz blouse. And now you know